Good morning everyone. Myself Jansi Lakshmi. Today I am going to discuss the topic is the tablet coating for the B Pharmacy third years in the year of 2021. What are the contents of your tablet coating like introduction, coating types, coating parameters, coating composition, coating troubleshooting, coating equipments, ideal cures, products. Why necessary? First of all, what is a coating? Coating is a process that involves the application of a coating polymer film to the core tablet. The core tablet which is present, so that core tablet with covered with applied with a the polymer material. So different materials are there, different polymers are there. So by using of these polymers, we are applied that polymeric solution. The polymer coating solutions will applied covered the core tablet which is present. That core tablet is covered with this coating of a polymeric solutions. Why it is for the this coating of why it is necessary for coating to the tablet means why necessary, what is the necessary to make a tablet coating for the for requirements are like a mask the bitter taste. If the tablet is in a bitter taste, sometimes what we will do means by the coating of a like a sugar coating is generally we do. So what will happen, we mask the bitter taste by the applying of a sugar coating, mask unpleasant odor. So some drugs or the odor is unpleasant in conditions, that times what we will do, we make the different flavoring agents, and by you that flavoring agents are mixed with that coating solutions. So these applying of these coating solutions to the that tablet core, we will mask that unpleasant odor, and also to increase the product stability from the light moisture oxidation. So why means the coating material will protect from the all these factors. So first the coating material is interacting with the light moisture and oxidation, so that material will protect the tablet from the light moisture oxidation from the inner core of the tablet. Inner core of a tablet is protected by the coating material. And also to modify the drug release profile by adding of a different polymeric agents to the these coating materials, what will happen means we will modify the drug release profile. So we will extend the drug release, or if we need the fast release of a drug, we will add at the different polymers. For example, we are extending the means we are sustaining the drug release, we will add at the different polymers. By adding of these polymers, what will happen means we the time taken for the dissolve the coating material, after that the drug core will releases, so the time is required to release the drug. So in this way we will extend the drug release, or we will instant drug release also we will takes place. And also reduces operator exposure to active substances and reduces the damage during the packaging process for the product identity. And also what the means reduce the operator exposures to active substances means that the operator exposure to active substances also reduces. Okay, and also reduces the damage during the packaging process. So when we are the tablet material are coated with the packaging process, what will happen means by the coating material will protective materials, this will protect the tablet during the packaging process and also product identity. So by having of a accurate colors, we can easily identify the drugs also. In the illiterate people, they are reminded the tablets like a red color tablet, yellow color tablet. In this way they will easily identify the tablet. Okay, this is first of all what is the tablet coating. Tablet coating is nothing but the applying of a coating materials. So these coating materials like a different polymers are like a HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, methyl MC methyl cellulose, these are the polymers. Okay, application of a coating material, this coating material is mainly containing a different polymers. These polymers are nothing but the HPMC, MC hydroxy, propyl methyl cellulose. All these are the polymers. By using of these polymers, we will make the coating solution. These coating solutions will apply to the tablet core. Okay, and what is the necessary of this tablet coating means mask bitter taste, mask unpleasant odor, to increases the product stability from the light moisture oxidation, and to modify the drug release profile, and to reduces operator exposure to active substance, and reduces the damage during the packaging process, and also for the product identity. Okay, this is the tablet coating, what is the necessary. And types of a tablet coating, like a sugar coating, film coating, and enteric coating. Okay, these are the sugar coating, film coating, and enteric coating. Three types. These are the mainly types of a coating. First is the sugar coating, film coating, and enteric coating. Okay, ma. Coating droplet. This is the spraying, and after that we make the wetting the tablet. After that recrystallization and that film formulation. First of all, we make the spray. Spraying means we going to sprinkle the we going to spray the coating droplet, the coating solution to the tablet core. So after the what will happen after the spraying, it turn into a wetting. After that recrystallization and film formation. After that what will happen means the film is going to dry. Sugar coating, already we are discussing three types of a coating is there. First one is the sugar coating, film coating, and enteric coating. Now we are discussing the sugar coating. As the name suggests, this process involves application of a sugar in that sucrose based coating solution to the tablet. Okay, sugar coating is nothing but it's mainly containing a sucrose solution. This sucrose solution is applied to the tablet core, that is the sugar coating. This is highly skilled multi-step process that is very labor intensive. Okay, what is a sugar coating? Is the highly skilled process. Normal person is unable to do the process. Highly skilled, the experienced person will do this sugar coating, and also multi-step process. Several steps are involved in this sugar coating, that is very labor intensive. So more labor is required for this sugar coating. Sugar coated products are aesthetically pleasing and have wide consumer acceptability. So these sugar coating tablets have the wide consumer acceptability is there. However, having of a highly skilled and multi-step process also, by the acceptance of a consumer acceptability, we generally do the sugar coating. Steps involved in the sugar coating: seal the first one is the seal coating, nothing but the sealing, and subcoating and syruping, nothing but the smoothing, and finishing, polishing, and printing. Okay, what are the steps involved in the sugar coating? Seal coating, nothing but the sealing, and subcoating, syruping, and finishing, polishing, printing. Seal coating, to prevent moisture penetration to the tablet core. Why generally do the sealing means to prevent the moisture penetration to the tablet core. So what will happen means without sealing, what will happen, the tablet has able to accept the moisture from the atmosphere. So what will happen, when the tablet absorb the moisture from the atmosphere, the tablet get smoothened. So it is a disadvantage. To prevent these, what we will do means, to prevent the moisture penetration, we will do the seal coating. So this is the first, if we see this white color tablet, after we go for the sealing. After the sealing, what we will do means subcoating. Means in this to round off the shape of the edge of the core. What we will do means, to get the rounded edges, what we generally do means, we will make the round the tablets. Next one is a smoothing. To smooth the rough surfaces, we go for the smoothing. And coloring. Coloring is nothing but to obtain the uniform color. Polishing, to enhance the glassy structure. Means the glassy structures means for the means it will be get shining. And printing, use edible ink and print by the inkjet or inkjet or pad printing process. Next one is a film coating. It involves the application of a thin film of a polymer material to the tablet surface. Film thickness is range from the 22 to 100 micrometer. Substantial reduction in quantity of a coating applied 2 to 4% for the film coating and compared with the 50 to 100% for sugar coating. It is a single stage coating process in which coating solutions including plasticizers, polymers, solvent and colorant. It involves the application of a thin film of a polymer material to the tablet surface. It is nothing but the applying of a film of polymer material to the tablet surface, and film thickness ranges from 22 to 100 micrometer. Substantial reduction is quantity of coating applied 2 to 4% film coating compared to with 50 to 100% for sugar coating. When we compare to the sugar coating, the tablet quantity is increases to 50 to 100%, but when come to the film coating, the substantial reduction is ranging from the 2 to 4%. So what are the coating materials involved in the film coating is like a plasticizers, polymers and solvent and colorant. Next one is the enteric coating. This coating facilitates the acylable drugs from the gastric pH and bypasses the stomach and release of a drug in the intestine. Some drugs are degraded at the acid means the stomach pH. So that drugs to prevent that degradation of your drugs, what we will do means the drug will bypasses the stomach and release of a drug in the intestine. Okay, and to prevent the gastric stress due to drug irritation, to provide delay release of a drug, and also drug irritation is prevented by this enteric coating, and also delay release of a drug is taken by this enteric coating. Okay, this is a drug core coated with the drug delayed release membrane and dry exposure to correct pH environment and dissolved coating. So means it bypasses the stomach and releases the drug in the intestine, and the drug molecules exposure to the drug loaded core and dissolve the release the drug. Okay, this is by the drug core coated with the delayed release membrane. So by applying of this coating material, the drug release pattern will be delayed. And coating, these are the types of a coating: film coating, sugar coating and enteric coating. Finishing.